is why I'm single. Hi, I'm Vanessa with Community Natural Foods. Today we are going to be juicing with a blender. So if you don't have a juicer at home, you can still have a delicious juice with a blender. So we're going to be using a Vitamix, and we're going to be making kind of a hearty juice with a bunch of different ingredients. So here we go. We're going to start with half a lemon. We're going to pop in an apple. I'm going to cut these into little smaller chunks so that it blends up a little bit faster. Pop those in there. We're going to add a carrot. Some celery. Half a cucumber. You can take the skins on or leave them on, it's up to you. And then some kale. We're also going to add some water so that it will get started and get moving. So we're going to about almost 2 cups of water. Oh, almost forgot. And a little bit of mint. Pop that lid on. Make sure it's on really tight so that you don't make a mess, because I usually make a mess. So I'm going to turn it on, put it on high, and hold on. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to strain it. You can either use a fine sieve. You can use a fine sieve, or you can use cheesecloth if you don't have one. So we're going to pop it through. And this is going to catch all of the fibers that are coming off of the vegetables and fruits. And you just take a spoon. So here we've strained all of the fiber out of the blender, and you've got yourself a really nice, green, delicious juice to drink. Well, let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's really good. Thank you for joining us on our video today. If you liked it, please subscribe to our videos. Give us a great thumbs up if you really enjoyed it, and let us know if there's anything that you'd like to see us do here on our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.